So to perform the experiment we require beakers, potassium permanganate or KMnO4, sugar, and sodium hydroxide pellets or sodium hydroxide beads with its chemical formula NaOH, and finally a glass of water. So first we have to take water in a beaker and we will add very little potassium permanganate in that beaker. See how little I am taking from the back of the spoon, very little. If we take more, the entire solution will be very deep and it will be concentrated, and now it is almost dilute, and you can see that the solution has turned pink in color because potassium permanganate is pink in color. I will just stir it a bit so that it can dissolve. So my solution has turned pink. It is my KMnO4 solution and I will proceed further with this. The potassium permanganate solution we prepared was solution A and this is solution B we are preparing. We will take water and we will be adding sugar in that water to prepare a sugar solution. Now we will take some NaOH pellets or sodium hydroxide beads in that solution where we had taken sugar. So I have added both sugar and NaOH and now I will stir it with the spoon. I will go on stirring it until it gets dissolved. I will go on stirring it. It is getting dissolved slowly. So it is almost dissolved. So this is my solution A, potassium permanganate solution, and this is my solution B, sugar and NaOH solution. Now I will put the solution A, potassium permanganate solution in a beaker. The color of the beaker is pink now. Now I will slowly add the Sarcos solution, togetherly termed as NaOH and sugar solution, using a dropper in that beaker. As I will add, it will be a redox reaction which will show a beautiful color change. MnO4 minus, that is the permanganate ion, is reduced by the Sarcos. It is forming K2MnO4 from KMnO4. See, the color is changing greenish. Very minutely you observe. See how the color is changing into green. See, the color is almost green now. This greenish color is changing into blue. At the center you can observe, as the reaction is very fast, the entire solution will not turn blue, but it is turning blue at certain point of time. This blue color is due to K3MnO4, which is again formed by the reduction of K2MnO4, and now the solution is turning brownish in color. This brown color is due to the MnO2, which will be the final product of the reaction. So I will keep on adding until the entire solution turns brown. So you can see that the entire pink color solution has turned brownish. How the color change reaction is occurring? This reaction is known as a chameleon chemical reaction, as there is a simultaneous change of color. It is a redox reaction because here both reduction and oxidation of ion is taking place. Now my entire solution is brown in color, as you all can see. The color is very beautiful. See it from several angles to make it clear. See, it is totally brown, or you can tell it as reddish brown.